Uhlelo lokugoma olungaphansi kwesisonke beluphokophele ekugomeni izisebenzi zempilo eziyingxenye yesigidi ngempela sonto.
We will continue to vaccinate healthcare workers and complete the targeted 1.2 million healthcare workers, and we've targeted that to be done mostly during the coming week.
Izakhamuzi ezineminyaka engamashumi ayisithupha naphezulu zilindeleke ukuthi zigome namhlanje.
5 million senior citizens are targeted to be completed by end of June, provided that the supply of vaccines flow as anticipated. By the end of June, we expect to have received 4.5 million doses of Pfizer and 2 million doses from Johnson & Johnson.
Bangaphezulu kwezigidi ezimbili abantu bakuleli ababhalisele ukugoma ngohlelo internet kuze kube izolo. Asikho-ke isidingo sokuthi ziye ezikhungweni zokugoma izakhamuzi esezikhulile.
They will not receive an SMS because the vaccines will be brought to them. They will be registered and vaccinated in their old age homes. We're targeting over 7,000 senior citizens living in 102 old age homes by the end of the week.
Isigaba sesibili sokugoma sizobanjwa ezikhungweni ezingamashumi ayisithupha nesikhombisa ezweni lonke. Kepha akekho ozovunyelwa kuba azingenele. Uma ungakwazanga ukuyogonywa ngosuku onikwe lona, kuzophinde kuhlelwe olunye usuku kepha kunomkhawulo.
If you miss 3 appointments, you will not be rescheduled again. However, you will still be on the system and you can then ask to be scheduled again by phoning the COVID-19 hotline or visiting the registration site.
Angeke uvunyelwe ukuzikhethela umgomo.
At this stage, you can't choose the vaccine. When you get to get vaccinated, you'll be informed which vaccine you are getting and if a second dose is needed.
Okwamanje akukaze ukuthi lo mgomo uvikela isikhathi esingakanani umuntu egciwaneni icorona. Abantu bayanxuswa ke ukuthi baqhubeke nokuthobela imigomo ye-COVID-19 ngaso sonke isikhathi. Umnyango wezempilo eFree State uzokwethula uhlelo lwesigaba sesibili sokugomela iCovid-19 eThekwelehenge welfare eqwaqa namhlanje. Bayi130 abantu asebekhulile kuhlelwe kuba bagonywe kulesikhungo. Kuze kube imanje zingu-24,000 izisebenzi zempilo esezigonyiwe njengengxenye yehlandla lokuqala esifundazweni. Okhulumela umnyango wezempilo eFree State uthi loluhlelo lusaqhubeka selizophothulwa ngokugonywa kwabelaphi bendabuko, abangcwabi, izisebenzi zempilo eziqhamuka ezinhlanganweni ezizimele kanye nezempilo ezizimele okuqhubekayo kulesifundazwe. Isifundazwe iFree State sidinga ukugoma abantu abangu-1.9 million.
We want to reach that area because it is one of the fastest growing areas with daily infections. Part of the third wave that we are encountering in the Free State is influenced by the high numbers that are found in this part of the world.
Isifundazwe iNorthern Cape sesithole isibalo esiphezulu sabantu abahaqwe yiCovid-19. Lesifundazwe sithole abantu abangu-615 izolo, nekuyisibalo esiphezulu kakhulu kusukela kwabika umuntu wokuqala esikhathini esingangonyaka esidlule. Bangu-11,100 abantu ababhalisele ukugoma esigabeni sesibili sohlelo lokugoma esifundazweni. Lesifundazwe sinezikhungo eziyisishiyagalombili zokugoma kwamanje. Emva kwehora kuvuliwe kungene abantu asebekhulile abangamashumi ayisishiyagalombili abekade belinde ukugoma.
The side effects are mild compared to what would happen if I had COVID. So I am expecting side effects, but I'm not worried about them at all.
I'm clear that I need this vaccine. I want to have it and I'm going to have it.
Umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni uthi unethemba lokuthi uzokwazi ukugoma abantu abangu-3,000 ekupheleni kwaleli sonto.
The National Department of Health through the Minister Dr. UZweli Mkhize has prioritized Northern Cape that to receive the Johnson & Johnson vaccine as it arrives. But for now, we can't wait for the Johnson & Johnson. We must vaccinate our people now with the Pfizer.